Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing like a different sweatshirt from last time because in my last video I said I was going straight to the FabFitFun unboxing, but then I realized it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I was like, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow. But yeah, so let's get to it. I've never had a FabFitFun box before, but I figured I'd order one just for fun, just to kind of see what it's all about. I know it's one of the most popular subscription boxes. It's actually probably the most popular ones. I think that's the last thing I saw. So I ordered one. I had a $10 off coupon, so it came out to $40. And this is what it looks like. I do love all of the butterflies on it, and it's really colorful. This is their spring box, and it does kind of look like, if you see, it looks like it was kind of dragged on the ground a little bit. I did see on their website that you can buy some past boxes. You could buy like the winter one or the fall one for the same price as the new one. So they probably had this one in just like ready to go. When I was on the website signing up for it, it kind of froze. It wouldn't really let me get to the point where you like choose stuff. So I messaged them on Facebook and they got back to me in like 2 seconds. It was really quick, and they said that they will like just do my custom box for me, so I don't have to use the website. And I was like, you know, just make everything like a surprise. Which is pretty much what I wanted, just like a surprise box, because everything actually did look pretty great, and a lot of it was already sold out too. So I was like, just, you know, surprise me. Hold on, I do have my sparkling water, and it does have like one of those Crystal Light energy things in it. Those are so amazing. They have like 2.5 cups of coffee. It's awesome. Usually coffee will like give me energy for like 15 minutes. And then it's just like gone. I already need a nap. Okay, so I think I figured it out. My camera just kind of turned off again. And I was looking at the storage, and I had like 1,500 photos on there and my video from yesterday. So that's probably why it keeps turning off, maybe, is because there's just like not enough storage to make another video or something. I'm not sure, but we'll just see, because I feel like every single time I make a video it does turn off for some reason. I have no idea why, so hopefully that's, you know, the cause of it. But anyways, I was gonna say, so this Crystal Light stuff is awesome. If coffee doesn't actually work for you, maybe this will. It just comes in like those little to-go packets. But anyway, let's get back to unboxing whatever's in here. They do have, it says in support of Dress for Success. The Dress for Success is actually something that one of the consignment stores I go to a lot helps donate to and helps support. So I have a big knife here. So let's see about cutting this open. It does, I mean, again, it does look kind of dragged on the ground. So no idea what this box went through. Hopefully nothing's broken. I have seen some, they're like literally just smooshed. Oh, that's cute. I love that purple color. That's adorable. Those are like some of my favorite colors. So it looks like you get a magazine, Spring 2020. I don't really know what's in it. I'll probably just read it later. I saw a crossword puzzle. Let's see, there is a America's #1 meal kit, 10 free meals from HelloFresh. That's awesome. I've actually looked into getting that because when my husband is gone, he goes, so he has to travel internationally sometimes during the year, and he's gone for like 2 weeks at a time. It's insane, and I really hate cooking for myself because it's just, I don't know, I just don't feel like cooking when it's just for me. So that's cool. I'll probably look into that. Claim within 30 days. Yeah. And then Bite. It says, you look good, but you're about to look better. Oh, okay. Crooked teeth bite me. No. I spent a lot on braces when I was younger, so I think I'm okay. Okay, and then, ooh, oh, it's really nice. It's like really put together. Hold on. See? It smells really good too. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like flowers. Wow. So the first thing in here is this little box. It looks like that. It says Way China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purifying and Glow Mask Collection. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I need my knife. I haven't done a mask in such a long time. I really need to. It would help if I had the knife the right way. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. That's such a pretty box. Oh, okay, so what is this? So it looks like Ready Glow Exfoliating Mask. So it looks like this, and you have like a little brush in the middle. So these look like just single-use masks for your face. So that's really nice. It looks really fancy too. Purifying mud mask. Ooh, I have to do one of those tonight. The next thing in here is a deep sleep body cocoon. Multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and better mornings. Lotion relaxant. This works. Well, I hope so. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish skin while you sleep. Anti-aging super blend of shea butter. Support sleep and skin wellness. That's cool. I just actually started a anti-aging thing from, I never remember how to say it. It's by Predire. But their anti-aging stuff is amazing. I used to have really bad wrinkles in between my eyes and on my forehead, and I just started using that stuff, and I noticed within like a couple weeks my wrinkles just like went away. The next thing is Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. So it looks like that. So I still have my spray from an Ipsy bag like 6 months ago. So it's probably, you know, met its expiration date. I don't even know why I couldn't even remember that. Fine Mist oil free. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this out. Let's see. I can't get it open. No! Wow, this plastic is really hard. Oh my gosh. I can't. And it needs to be. There we go. Ha! Got it. Twist off cap. No, it's not a twist off cap. Oh, that doesn't smell that good. I need to shake it up. Smells like sugar and cotton balls. Oh god. My other one smells like roses, so I don't know. Hopefully it like works really well. Okay, this is, I still can't believe they do this. Thermal spring water in a spray can. Why? Smooth, soothing, anti-irritating. It's just a can. Is this just a can of water? Why would you do this? I don't. It's like getting those, what is it, Aquafina has like spray can of water. I don't know, I probably won't really use that. Maybe if I get home from running or something and it's like a hot day, I'll just like spray water on my face. So this is by Black Orchid Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Ooh, that's cool. My dog has to be in every single video. I'm like not even kidding. Oh, this is what smelled good. Oh, I literally just went to the store and bought like a scrubber. Oh my god. This smells so good. I can't wait to use this. It smells awesome. Okay. I'll put that back. It just smells like a just bouquet of roses just got thrown in your face. So the next thing, oh, wrinkle treatment, awesome. I love wrinkle treatments by Glow. And let's see. So this is, ooh, oh wow. Infrared light. Invisible to the naked eye. And then you have red light, reaches deep layers of skin, stimulates cellular repair. Amber light brings vitality. Oh, this is awesome. So it's like a light you just put on your face. Ooh, nice. You just like go in your face. I literally want to try this out right now. How do I do? Oh, ooh. See how bright that is? Oh, wow. That's cool. I should have read the operating instructions first. Yep, there we go. That's cool. I can't wait to use that. See, the next thing is, oh, a hairbrush. Nice. I actually needed one of these. All of the hairbrushes I have are like from the dollar store that I pick up during vacations because I always forget to bring a hairbrush. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. That's really pretty. Nice. It's from Aria Beauty. Ooh, I love that like all of this stuff is stuff I will actually use. Usually in mystery boxes or subscription boxes like Ipsy and stuff, I don't really use a lot of it, which is kind of why I canceled my other one. Okay, so the last thing here, I think, is that it? Yeah, that's everything that was in there. Is packing cubes. Oh, I could have used this on my Mediterranean vacation. Oh well, next time. Those are cute though. They have little, I didn't even show y'all. They have little fruits on them and lemons, oranges, grapefruits. So those are cool. It comes with 3, I think, or just a big one. I'll see. I don't know. I'll see later. But yeah, all this stuff is neat. So we have the packing cubes, we have the hairbrush, we have a spray can of water for some reason. I don't think I'll ever understand that. Maybe it's for a makeup thing. We have this, the sponge, which smells awesome. Oh my god, it smells so good. Anti-wrinkles, which I am a big fan of. I seriously, when I'm 60, I want to look like I'm 30. And then I got carded up in movies like 5 months ago when I was gonna go see a rated R movie, and I'm actually almost 30 years old. So that really made me happy. She had to card me for, yeah, she thought I was like 17, 16 or something. I was like, that's kind of reaching because I don't think I look like a teenager. But yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was funny. It made my day. And then we have the single-use face masks, which I am definitely going to be using tonight. And then, is that it? Yeah, I think. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, the setting spray that smelled really weird. Maybe it smells different after like a few minutes. I don't know why it would, but no, it still smells like cotton balls dipped in sugar. I don't know if I like that. We'll see. Okay. So in the magazine, I think they're supposed to tell you how much everything is worth. So let's go ahead and look. Okay, yeah, the packing cubes do come with 3. So I got the Revive Light Therapy, which was $68. See, the magazine looks like this. And then we got the, oh, they had a 111 skin, dang. Let's see. So this box was originally $39. So I am gonna just kind of add everything up with my little phone calculator. So the overall total cost they say this box is worth is $268, which I think is actually pretty good. I will definitely be using most of this stuff. I might just give the water spray to my husband because he likes to go trail running a lot, and once you get back to your car, maybe it's nice to like spray down with water and stuff. I know some of my friends do that in the summer when it gets like really hot. I live in San Antonio, Texas, and it gets to be like 120 degrees in the summer. It's ridiculous. But anyways, yeah, so that was my video of the FabFitFun unboxing. I definitely think that it is worth it. Just got a lot of really cool stuff I will definitely be using. So anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you do want to see more videos and be notified of videos. Alright, bye guys.